How to clean alabaster. Alabaster is a delicate material, a metamorphic rock that is soft enough to be used for artwork such as small carvings, lampshades, gem boxes, etc. The same attributes that make alabaster a versatile material for the creation of beautiful stone work can also make maintaining these pieces difficult. Alabaster is often mistaken for marble because of its translucent coloring and subtle veining, but the cleaning and care methods for marble are dramatically different. Even a small drop of water can lead to staining of alabaster and cause permanent damage. Method 1: Removing light dust and debris from alabaster. 1. Choose soft brushes. Brushes that are soft to the touch, such as makeup or artist's paint brushes, are great for gently cleaning your alabaster. Make sure these brushes are clean before using them. Even a fingernail has the ability to scratch alabaster's naturally soft surface, so finding a brush that is gentle is pivotal to the cleaning process. Avoid using rough surfaces, such as plastic cleaning brushes or steel wool pads, as these may scratch the surface and permanently damage the alabaster. 2. Wear latex or nylon gloves. When physically handling alabaster, wear flexible gloves to prevent any moisture or oils from transferring from your hands to the stone, which can cause possible staining. Even the slightest amount of moisture or oil can be harmful to a delicate piece of alabaster, so this preventative measure helps ward off unnecessary staining and damage. 3. Sweep away any dirt or debris. Using your soft brush, gently dust the alabaster. Use sweeping motions to remove dirt. Do not attempt to wipe the alabaster with a dry cloth, as this may push the dirt further into the alabaster's surface and make cleaning more difficult. Some sources suggest that even using soft cloth may cause staining, so make sure you are using as little pressure as possible to remove the dust. 4. Dust your alabaster regularly. It is important to regularly maintain your alabaster, to keep it free of dust that may attract moisture and cause staining. You can dust your alabaster as often as you would like, but be sure you are following the instructions above to not cause any new staining or damage. If a gentle dry cleaning is not enough to get the job done, proceed to the next method for alternative cleaning options. Method 2: Removing stains from alabaster. 1. Purchase white or mineral spirit. White spirit, or mineral spirit, is a petroleum-based solvent most often used in the care and preservation of alabaster. White spirit cleans the stone without removing its natural moisture and without adding new moisture. White and mineral spirits will not cause staining when used to spot clean alabaster, and will not cause damage to the surface, preserving the alabaster's natural color and luster. White or mineral spirit can often be found at your local hardware or art supply store. 2. Work in a well-ventilated area. When using white or mineral spirits, it is important to work in a well-ventilated area. Fumes from white or mineral spirits can be dangerous if inhaled for a long period of time. Be sure you are working in an area with easy access to fresh air. 3. Wear gloves to protect your hands. Choose a set of nylon or latex gloves to work with. Wearing gloves is not only important to keep your hands safe from the drying effects of working with white spirit, but also to protect your alabaster piece from any moisture or oils on your hands. 4. Check your alabaster for painted areas. In rare cases, alabaster may have been painted. White or mineral spirit often used for cleaning alabaster can be harmful to these painted areas, so make sure to only use these spirits to clean unpainted areas. If your alabaster does have painted areas that need to be restored, consulting a restoration expert may be the best option. 5. Dab a cotton swab or soft cloth into the spirit. You will use this to spot clean smaller areas. Pat gently on the surface of the alabaster, especially where dirt or grime appears to have built up. Do not rub the cotton swab along the stain, as this may push the dirt further into the surface and make the stain more difficult to remove. 6. Allow the solvent to dry thoroughly before applying more. If the first attempt does not completely remove the stain, repeat use of the spirit and cotton swab as described in the last step. Keep in mind that subtle brown or red veining in alabaster is what gives alabaster pieces their unique nature, so some areas that may appear stained may actually just be a part of the stone's natural beauty. 7. Use a soft cloth and spirit to clean larger areas. Douse a soft cloth with spirit and move the cloth along the natural grain of the stone. Be sure to follow the natural grain of the stone when wiping dirt and grime down, so as to not risk damaging the alabaster itself. Make sure that your cloth is fully saturated with white or mineral spirit before using it to clean your alabaster piece, as any areas left dry on the cloth may cause damage to the piece. 8. Allow the solvent to completely dry. Before determining if another pass is necessary, wait for your alabaster to dry thoroughly. Areas where the spirit has been applied may still appear stained before drying thoroughly, so be patient before determining if more cleaning is necessary. Remember to be gentle when cleaning your alabaster. Alabaster is a sensitive stone and is easily damaged, so proceed with caution when performing any maintenance on the stone. Tips. Research the history of your alabaster piece. Certain alabaster pieces can have historical significance, or may be very valuable. In certain cases, professional restoration may be the best option to preserve the integrity of the piece. Regular maintenance can prevent debris from attracting moisture and staining alabaster. Gently remove dust and debris from your alabaster as often as possible. Warnings. Do not use water or any water-based cleaners on alabaster. Water can dissolve alabaster, ruining its smooth finish and altering its lustrous color, or stain it permanently. Things. Soft cleaning cloth or very soft small brush. White or mineral spirits. Cotton swabs. Latex or nylon gloves.